Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel, Jade Rhapsody. Today I am unboxing the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Busy Gal Basics. It's a 3-piece set. It says right here that it's $16 is the price and the retail value is actually $30. So you're getting a really good deal. It comes with 3 products and we are ready to find out what those are right now. So I'm just going to open the top. It's the Complexion Essentials set. It says right there. So we will just slide that out. You can see that Tarte has tried to make this like opening a gift and put it in their Tarte wrapping paper. So we'll just open that. And here we go. So first I will show you the Tarte moisturizer. It's the Double Duty Beauty First Step Prep Moisture Reset Cream. I do really like this. I'll show you what that looks like. It has the protective seal and you just lift that off, and it's a cream based moisturizing cream. I will try and get that to focus on that cream. As you can see, it's really good. I do like using it on my skin every day before I put my makeup on. So that's the moisturizer. And next up we have the Double Duty Beauty. This is the Base Tape Hydrating Primer Base Hydration. And this to me kind of smells a little like coconut. So I'll just focus in on that. And it is also kind of cream based, so I'll just open it. See, it has the tip. I'll just put a dab of that right there so you can see kind of the texture of this primer. So this is the Base Tape primer and it comes in this 3-piece set, and you just smooth it over your skin. And as I said, it does, to me it smells kind of coconut based, so maybe it has some coconut milk in it. It smells good. It's very nice to smell. And then finally we have the setting powder, and this one's been shook up apparently, and it's all sitting in there, but there is like a, oh yeah, see that the sticky thing came off where there's like usually they have this sticky thing over the holes you can see, or below there. So usually that is adhesive like and keeps that from happening. But I do like all 3 of these products actually. This is, and I will clean that up a little bit. So I'll focus this out a little more and kind of go out a little. And there's the kit that I just opened here. And I will show you that I have actually purchased this kit before, and these are Enzy products here, because I've used all of these. This might have a little left in it, not much, and this might have a little left in it, but I've actually used all 3 of these products, and they last about the same amount of time. I've had them about 2 months. So I'm really excited to get refills on all 3 of these products, because I'll wash my face and do any kind of acne treatment that I need to do, and then I'll use this moisturizer before I put my makeup on, and then I use the primer before I put my makeup on, and then I'll blend my makeup and put my makeup on, my foundation, and then I'll set it with this setting powder. So I would like to get I wonder if they sell a kit of larger of these products, because I would like to get larger quantities next time. But for $16 it is a good deal, and all 3 of the products are very useful and they work very well. So I would recommend that you check out the Tarte Busy Gal Basics. It's the moisturizer and the Base Tape primer and the setting powder. So definitely a good deal in this 3-piece set, and like I said, I love it so much I'm going to try and get a larger quantity of each one of these products next time. So thank you for tuning into my channel, Jade Rhapsody, and stay tuned for more videos of unboxings of makeup.